Queeriosity is a beautiful thing.
I cast my fishhook heart into your bloodstream, looking for oxygen packs, reeling in deflated lungs.
You'll fall harder than ever before, but please, don't fall in love with me.
I think for so many of us, poetry is maybe a first safe space. You can say things in a poem, maybe in a place like this, that you can't say in front of your parents, that you can say in front of your families, and maybe it's still dangerous to say at your school.
I didn't know a thing about love until those boys walked away so happy.
Who would want you? Your girlfriend, bitch.
We're proud to be queer, and queer people are pretty cool, and we're the best dressers, and we probably write better poems, and we do everything a little bit better. So of course it's the best event. So God bless Queeriosity and whoever put it in B&B.